Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department. Today I am going to present about feature selection. Feature selection is a crucial step in data science that involves identifying the most relevant variables or features in data to improve model performance and reduce complexity. It helps focus on the most informative attributes, leading to more accurate and interpretable models. Feature selection in data science. Enhance model accuracy, reduces overfitting, improves interpretability. Enhance model accuracy. Feature selection can significantly improve the predictive power of machine learning models by focusing on the most relevant features. Reduces overfitting. Removing irrelevant features helps the models from learning noise and improve their ability to generalize the new data. Improves interpretability. Identifying the most important features provides a better understanding of the underlying relationships in the data. Types of feature selection technique: filter method, wrapper methods, embedded methods. Filter methods assess the relevance of features based on their statistical properties without considering the model. Wrapper methods evaluate the feature subset by training a model and measuring performance using model as black box. Embedded methods combine the benefits of both the filter and wrappered methods. Filter method. Filter method has four subdivisions: correlation, chi-square, mutual information, and ANOVA. Correlation measures the linear relationship between the feature and the target variable. Chi-square evaluate the statistical significance of the relation between the features and the target. Mutual information quantifies the data quantifies the amount of information that one variable contains about another. ANOVA analyze the variance to identify the features significantly influence the target. Wrapper method: subset generation, model training, and feature ranking. Subset generation generates different subset features to be evaluated by the model. Model training trains the model using each feature subset and evaluate their performance. Feature ranking ranks the feature based on their contribution to the model's performance. Embedded methods are classified into three types: lasso, decision tree, random forest. Lasso performs feature selection and model training simultaneously by adding a penalty complex method. Decision tree inherently performs the feature selection by identifying the most informative features during tree construction process. Random forest measures feature importance based on the decrease in impurity when a feature used to split the data. Thank you.